Hi viewers, I'm Tabir. Welcome back to you on Motivational Platform. Friends, if you are thinking that you are alone and you can't do anything else, so now not need to be upset because I'm here to guide you, to give you good path of the success. So you are going to get your success if you are in the depression, if you are upset. So now no need to do anything else. Just keep watching this channel and fully watch this video, you'll get your success. If you want to do some productivity, need to do hard work silently. Because when we start work at the start of work, we start crying, discussing to other people. It becomes the public favorite topic. And then we start focusing on people's opinion and forget the path of success. People are valuable in a life for celebration of happiness and success, because always remember there are many fathers of success, but whenever we talk about the failure it's totally orphan. No one support to the failure, no one accept that I have helped, I have guided, because of my guidance, because of my wrong suggestion he or she got the failure. No one accept. They says he is not able to get success, he is not fine, he haven't done hard work, he is not able to do anything else, he doesn't have any kind of guts, that's why he couldn't get the success. But when we get success, people says I gave suggestion to him or her, he is my brother, she is my sister, they are my brothers, they are the friends of my brother or sister. But this is the strength. Really, people don't take the responsibility of failure, but they take responsibility of the success. They take already completely credit of the success to their self, and especially they make our success to their own identity, and they make their identity by our success and says, use this, that I have got this, because of me he or she got that, I helped to him in difficult time, I have guided to him, that's why he got that things. And in this way, what's happened, if we got failure, we got in depression, we got upset, and we saw that no, we can't do anything else in a life. So do something productivity in your life. If you got failed, doesn't matter, work once more. If you again fail, again work, again stand up. You have energy. If you get failed once, then get up second with more energy, with more power. Try to be unbreakable. No one can break you. You should work with the silent. So make your life perfect to do hard work. Effort silently and wait for that day when your success will announce your abilities. Don't care of people. Are they pay your electricity bill? No one pay your electricity bill. All the efforts you are doing by yourself. If you are alone, don't be upset or sad. Just do hard work silently. You are now alone because you started now. But when you will finish and success will under your feet, people will make you their identity. So be patient. Continue your struggle silently and change the environment around you. You have a mind of power to change the things which are hurted for you and painful for you. Listen to your heart and start working silently. Whatever you want to be in your life, just start working from now. Your efforts and your patience will make you successful. Look at the sky. We are not alone. The whole universe is friendly to us and conspires only to give the best to those who dreams and work. Learn by your mistakes. Be your lost mistakes is your teacher. So keep remember me in your praise. Keep enjoying your life. Continue your efforts silently. Thank you so much.